Hello and welcome back to nobrokerage.com. Today we are at Khandelwal Group stall and we have Miss Vaishali with us. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Can you please tell us about the developer?
Khandelwal Group is into the business since more than 40 plus years, and we have did a lot of projects in the western suburbs belt. Okay, so currently we have installed the stall here just to focus on the specific project, which is Nirvan Crest.
What are the amenities you are providing in Nirvan Crest?
We have like more than 30 plus of amenities here, and it's all modern class amenities. So we are again coming up with 4 towers which are done on 2 acre of land parcel. All the 4 towers are 22 story. Yeah, so this is again the elevation, if you can just make out with this.
Okay.
All the 4 towers are 22 story. Again, we have 3 level of podium car park here. On the 3rd level of podium, we are giving major of the amenities. So let's say if we have 4 towers, we are providing with 2 set of amenities. There are 2 infinity pools along with the kids pool. Below that, you have a banquet hall, your garden amenities, lawn amenities, sitting cabana, jogging track, walking track, your clubhouse, everything comes on the 3rd floor. So the rest of the amenities are coming on the terrace. Your yoga room, library, open gymnasium, enclosed gymnasium, sky lounge amenities, all those amenities are there on the rooftop, and that is again specifically for like individual tower.
Okay, and why Borivali West?
So why not, I would say. See, again, it's not properly into the Borivali. It's again the location that we have choose to make this project. It's quite, I would not say properly isolated, but again, if somebody is looking for the peace or something in Mumbai, that's what you get here. Okay, it's full of greenery. Okay, you have all mangroves view, you have a proper pagoda view, you have a proper creek view, and again, we are also providing balconies again.
Okay.
The towers that we are selling right now.
Okay. And in this project, do you have any payment schemes or offers right now or in the future?
Again, we have just now launched these 2 towers, and again we are almost 80% sold out. But then again, if you'll ask me about the payment plan and everything, so we do have customized payment plan according to the client's requirements. So that is not an issue. If the client comes, we again try to fully satisfy with them with the prices, with the location.
And what makes your company stand out from the other developers?
Since we are in construction from so long, so we are again much particular about the construction quality. So firstly, again, the construction quality that we give. Secondly, all our projects have been delivered on the time.
That's it. Thank you so much,
You
ma'am.
just
It
try
was
to
nice
make it look
talking.
good.
So if you want to invest in Nirvan Crest or Khandelwal Group's any project, then contact on the given number below or visit nobrokerage.com for more details.